Lance Mechanics here today, and if you're dealing with something like this, I might have a little tool that will help you. It's going to be for the female ends, but it may help you with this. It's something I've used for many years. Let's get in here. There they are. Set you up. So, these are diamond grip terminal cleaners, and I'm going to show you. These are well used. As a mechanic who did a lot of troubleshooting, these were my #1 go-to for saving the customer money. So, let's see if I can get close up. So they're very abrasive, but they're teeny. They get into good places, and what I'm talking about is when you're dealing with something like this, you got crusties. They really make a difference here, as you can see. How well that comes up. There we go. So, you're going to run into corrosion as a mechanic. It's nature, it's life. You get flood vehicles, you get moisture, anywhere the temperatures go up and down 10, 20, 30 degrees, whatever. It's going to happen. It's inevitable. But what's not inevitable is you having to fix it. So when you have to fix something, replacing entire harnesses is not really feasible. A lot of times, I've fixed intermittent issues just by doing this. I stick this in the terminal, I pull it out, and we're done. Problem fixed. This is a hard concept for a lot of people. Chasing intermittent problems, even on something that looks clean, could have electrical fretting that you don't see. It's a very common issue in the automotive industry, as like this is an old harness. This harness is off, I think, a 13 Elantra. It was out of the taillight. That's what I remember. So things now are way more complicated. These pins are huge. You in a taillight now may have up to 16 of these, and they're very small. When you get into smaller things, you're dealing with electrical issues at a microscopic level, as they say. They call it micro fretting. And GM has been ahead of the curve on that. So a simple fix is plugging and unplugging something. And a lot of the time, I could get rid of ABS issues on Hondas with that, Fords, Dodges, very common. Lots of weather pack connectors. My favorite thing to do is always unplug and plug something in. You wouldn't believe, just doing that clears off the surface on these pins. So this has been my favorite tool for the last, I'd say 15 years. These have paid for themselves. I'll try and put a generic one in the link. I just cannot express how important they are. Even when something looks clean like this, I'm telling you, just doing a simple little chase like that or cleaning can eliminate so many intermittent issues. And boys, you can charge for this. If you can verify a fix, you can charge for that. Say, clean up terminals, find some etching compound, put it in there, dielectric grease. This is a little more obvious. Spend the time, say, hey, we cleaned out the terminals, we tested it, it's good to go. Take pictures. People love pictures. So, again, I'll put it in the link. This is one of my most used toolkits when it comes to electrical troubleshooting. A little cleaning can go a long way. So, Lance Mechanics, I hope you like this explanation. I always try and give a little bit of visuals, but yeah, post in the comments what you do. Electrical fretting is the #1. How can I say it? It will make you go bald as a technician. Keep it simple and sweet, as I like to say. Lance Mechanics, have a good one.